going to be teaching you guys how to reinstall or install Ubuntu. Now you're going to want to go to this website over here, as you can see. So you're just going to want to go to ubuntu.com/download/desktop and download. I recommend this one. I don't think you need that long of support, like up to 12 years of Ubuntu Pro. Come on, nobody's paying for an operating system. If it's Windows, I'm just going to pirate it. Come on. Okay. Anyways, you're gonna want to go into your computer's BIOS, or if you're using a virtual machine like I am, you're gonna want to go to your virtual machine software. And I personally, if you're using a computer, you would want to flash it using something like what I'm using. I actually figured out it's called Mint Stick. That's what it's called. Okay. And I also use Belena Etcher, so you could flash the USB to the ISO to a USB drive, or maybe you could even use Ventoy. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay. Now we can create a new virtual machine. We can select our ISO image. Okay, select our Ubuntu image. Nice. Okay. Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu. Cool. Alright. Nice. Okay. Oh, we can also quickly. It's called Change Me. Let's call this user. We would actually 1111. Boom. Okay. Cool. It's actually setting up some stuff. Okay. Okay. Let's say it's about 8 gigs of RAM. I have about 32 gigs, so I think that'll be about 21 gigabytes taken up or something. So yeah, okay. 3 CPU cores is okay. Could set this to about 25 or something. Okay, I have about 15 gigabytes available. Oh god. Okay. Okay, I just want to change something real quick. Okay. No, not on my main drive. It's got 15 gigs available. Let's do this. Virtual machines? Yes? Okay. Open. Nice. On personal programs, files and games. I did not do that. Oh yeah, I remember I did that when my games SSD wasn't actually working, but now it does. Oh well. I'll rename it later. Okay. Okay, let's select the Ubuntu again. Ubuntu. Okay. I'll actually skip unattended install because I'm showing you guys how to actually install it. I'll just set the default. Okay. But maybe a bit higher. Okay, I think this is good. Make it really crappy and low end. Gotta excuse my language here because this channel's supposed to be family friendly, so okay. Okay. Well, crap isn't really that bad, so I mean that's okay. Okay. Now we can start the virtual machine. As you can see, we are starting our virtual machine. Yes, I know this is by default the menu key. Try or install Ubuntu and select and grow boot menu. Now, skip this. I do not care. Oh, my eyes, okay. Not really that good. Okay. Don't want to hurt my eyes. Okay, there we go. Cool. Now it's launching Ubuntu. Nice. Okay, my graphics card is really suffering from this. I hope there's nothing bad going on. Okay, I think we're good, though. Ubuntu. Okay. Come on. Come on. Boot the image. Okay, probably saying a really low specs was a mistake. That was a horrible idea, actually. It's really slow. Oh, crap. It's really slow. Okay, install Ubuntu 25.10. Okay, please load. Load. Is it finally about to... Okay, there we go, finally. Okay, now it's finally gonna load our stuff. Okay. Okay, we're good. So as you can see, we're in the live environment, so we can, like, mess around if we want to. A nice, well, live Ubuntu USB where it can fool around and stuff. Pretty cool. I've used Ubuntu before, now I use Linux Mint though, because, I mean, Ubuntu is, in my opinion, was pretty crappy. Okay. Oh, cool. Cool startup sound. I like that. Okay. That's pretty cool. Accessibility, no thank you. English US, not UK. Good. Use wired connection. I have Ethernet. Auto install file. I'll do an interactive so I can show you guys. Now, what would like to do here? Default selection or extended. This is really low end, so default, but we could. But on my computer, personally, I would prefer extended. Okay. This is just a virtual machine that I'll be deleting anyway, so I mean, who cares? If this was a real computer, I would select those two and extended. Okay. Well, there are no operating system ones here, so we can just erase disk and install Ubuntu. Okay. Encryption? No thanks. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Okay. Right, Nicholas. Actually, how about Happy? Don't require a password. Now you need to set one, so space. I think that's pretty cool. Because I mean, yeah, of course it's weak. It's like the worst password you could ever choose for a personal computer. Luckily, it's just a virtual machine, though. So nice. Okay. Cool. There we go. Good. Yes, VBox hard disk. Do not destroy my computer. Thank you. So as you can see, it will install Ubuntu. Then it will ask you to restart. Then you're going to want to restart and boot into the Ubuntu you just installed. So there you go. That is how you install Ubuntu on your personal computer or a virtual machine. Now since it's just a virtual machine, I really don't care. I'm going to brick the installation. I'm going to brick it. Completely destroy it. Completely ruin the virtual machine. Alright, see you guys. Okay. Ha!